Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly, for those of you who don't know, and I am today going to go over the mystery box, blocked out my address, the mystery box from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I have not yet opened it, as you can see, but today I'm just gonna open it and we're gonna see what's inside. I have never had anything from Jeffree Star Cosmetics before. And so I saw that he had posted about this on Black Friday and I was like, you know what? Let's just see what they send me in this box. I got the $30 box. It is just, I feel like BoxyCharm or something. It's pretty much the same size as that. So, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. So, I look super creepy. I'm gonna open this box, see what's inside. And I'm also going to try it on my face. That's why I don't have anything really on it, if I'm gonna wear this today. I do have some errands to run, so I am going to put some of this on my face if I think that it's wearable, because I know some of his stuff is like bright colors and like super colorful and everything. So if it's not super wearable, then I'm not going to wear it. They packaged this like Fort Knox. Oh my god, like I really just had to like use my knife and open this in all of the different directions. By the way, if I keep looking at the thing, it's because I'm new to this whole YouTube thing and I'm not a professional. Okay. I really can't open this box. This is super hard. Oh. I've been opening this the wrong way. It goes up. All right, so here we have the receipt. It's got tissue on top of it. So inside, it's just kind of like all laid out in there. So the is a velour lip liner in the shade Androgyny. I know that this is like one of his like first shades or something, or like a popular one or something like that. So damn, Jeffree does not come to play when it comes to packaging. Holy crap. I mean, just like the component, like the cardboard that it comes in. Oh my god, how cute is this? This is so cute. Sorry, that was just really Valley Girl. Oh yeah, and he did say that these are sharpenable ones, like with a sharpener, because he wanted people to be able to use it on other people and then be able to just sharpen it without having to like wipe it off or whatever. So it would be sanitary for other people. So I'm gonna just, oh, y'all, this lip liner though is so great. I like barely like pushed down on my hand and I like had to like lift up because it was just so creamy. Oh my god. And this color is awesome. Like, look at, I barely pushed down on it at all. Oh my god. That's gonna feel great on my lips. I can already tell. This is a win. I'm excited for this. Also, if you don't know, Jeffree Star Cosmetics is cruelty-free. I try to use cruelty-free products because I am a lover of animals. I have 2 dogs. I have a black lab and a chocolate lab, one named Bailey, one named Guinness. I just combined their names. Okay, also, I think everybody in their boxes gets these pop sockets, just with what I've just seen from some people who have opened boxes, all of the size boxes. The next thing is this Skin Frost. I knew that I was gonna get this in mint condition, which is like green. I'm never gonna use this. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't put highlight on because I thought maybe I would get a highlighter that I might use, but I'm not gonna put this on my face. I might use this as like a highlight for like my eye or something, like an eyeshadow, but I'm not gonna put this on my face. So I'm just going to swatch it. That's really powdery. Like a lot just came off on my finger. Do you guys see that? Focus. It's not gonna. Okay, whatever. So I'm gonna swatch it right here. I mean, it's really pretty. I can't put this on my cheek. You know what I mean? Like, look, it's like a clump on my finger right there. Okay, I'm assuming that if you use this, you would use it with a brush. But it's like, I'm trying to not like get the clump on my hand. Okay, but this is what the color is. So I might use that on like, for Halloween or on my eye or something for a look. So that's the second thing. I know that these are kind of expensive and they're huge. And this mirror, so big. So, and the packaging is super cute. The color for my face, I'm not gonna put it on there. The next is Flamethrower. Also another color that I'm probably never gonna use. But you know, maybe I will. But it's this bright orange color. But you can use the liquid lips as, oh God, that is just shaking so bad. Hold on. As eyeliners because they're eye safe. So maybe I will do some kind of creative look or something like that and use this orange color, but for my lips, it's probably not gonna happen. And the next color would be really cool if it was Androgyny, since I have the, no. It is this bright purple color. I'm never gonna use these guys. Like, this is probably a waste of money. But it's this bright purple color. I'll swatch right here. Oh God, it's watery. Let me shake it. Oh my God. Look at how watery that is. Okay, that's kind of disgusting, to be honest. You guys see that on my finger? Like, it's not focusing. That's really gross. Okay, I'm never using that. I'm telling you right now, purple's my favorite color and I'm never using this. Ever. And then the last thing is a bullet in Baby Spice. I think this is like a light pink color. Pretty much everybody who got these boxes got the exact same thing. This is sad. Okay, that's really, I might use that. This is the color. So really, out of this whole box, the only things that I'm gonna use are gonna be this. By the way, look how cute this component is. It's got these stars down here. I love the stars. The JSC logo, and then it's in the shape of a bullet. It's so cute. I love that. These are cute. I do love the formula of the liquid lipsticks. I have Mannequin, which I got when I purchased this. I just got it before I got this box. Okay, so I said that I was gonna try some of this on, and after I looked at everything, I'm going to use this. I might put some of this Baby Spice on top. I don't know how well that's gonna look, but I'm gonna use this giant ass mirror out of this Skin Frost and apply this lip liner. So I don't have lip filler, so I have to spend a lot of time lining my lips. A lot of that just went down. I also filled in my lips though. The lip liner is one of my favorite things so far. And I'm gonna put this on top. I filled it in because, as best as I could, really. Because I knew that this was gonna be a different color. Okay, it's flaking off a little bit. Can you tell? This isn't focusing, but it's flaking off a little bit. Okay, that isn't gonna work. I'll pat it on. Let's see if that works. I just bit it. Okay, you guys, like, look, that isn't gonna work. Okay, it's not focusing, but it's like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but like there's like specks, and then if you look at my lips, they're like, stuff is coming off on it. Not like, they're just like specks from the lip liner. So I don't know if like maybe a liquid lip will look better on top. I'm just gonna have to take this off and use a completely different lip product. My whole thoughts on this box is that we did get a lot of things in the box. And I mean, I might use some of it sometime. It's just not something that I'm gonna use on a regular basis. So for somebody who is spending $30 on makeup, I would really just recommend spending $30 on something that's quality and that you're actually gonna use it, and that you're gonna use it every day, unless you are someone who's like super creative with makeup and you think, oh my God, I totally need an orange liquid lipstick for a cheap price to do eyeliner or a Halloween look, or something like that. Or if you just like to wear orange lipstick. For me, that's not going to be me. I'm pretty basic when it comes to my makeup. I am adventurous with it. So I'm not saying that I'm not gonna use any of this stuff. It's just something that I'm not gonna use on a regular basis. So for me, I'm not really sure that this box was necessarily worth it. But I think that it was a fun experiment. I think it was fun to get. It was fun to like see what I was gonna get, and all of that good stuff. So with all that being said, if he ever does it again, I probably won't do it. But I do enjoy the formulation of the stuff. I just wish that it was stuff that was more wearable. But in the description box, I will link everything and how much it costs down below, and how much the value of the box ended up being, because it definitely is worth the value. It's just, it depends on the person that you are, whether or not these types of makeup products are worth it to you. I love the mirror. I love the size of the mirror. I just don't think that this color is necessarily something that I'm going to be able to put on my face, but maybe on my eyes. So maybe I'll do like a cool green Christmas eye look, and this will be a good option. So without that being said, that is my opinions on everything. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'm super new at this. Obviously, my my backdrop needs some work. I've got Santa over here. I've got my kitchen back here, but I will be getting all of that set up really soon. I really wanted to film this with the unboxing of this box, but I didn't have time to do everything. But I really wanted to get into it because I really wanted to see what I got because I'm really impatient. But if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button just down below and the bell notification so you're notified every single time that I upload a new video. If you want to follow me on social media, I am KellyAnn33 on all of it. So thank y'all, and I'll see you later. Bye.